Right now, can you hear me clearly? Okay. Then you tell me about your means work. What do you do exactly in there? Yes. Yep. Mm-hmm. In that time, uh Okay, tell me how long have you been using this platform? Yes. Tell 2, 3 years, right? Yeah, me too also. But this day just means try to use regularly to connect with people, right? Sometimes, yeah, it required also because we are here to enhance English speaking, right? That is also part in our learning journey. Or sometime we people interact with different country people, different state people, then we know about their culture, food, clothes, atmosphere, right? And that is also good for us. Then do you get okay? Do you have any dress code? Your company provide any dress code in there? Uniform, right? Okay, okay. Then if you go to means your company, then you wear uniform, right? What color of that uniform? What color? Okay, and you wear also tie, right? Only Oh, then you cook food in kitchen? Okay, what type of you are a chef, right? Okay, then what type of food do you know cook? What type of food? Okay, and okay. Hmm. Then do you get any free time inside your means that workplace? Do you get free time? Mm-hmm. Okay, do you use mobile phone while working? Mhm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mhm. Right, right. Because you are working in there, then it not not mess up everything. Talking with the people and you provide to customer, right? You take them, then definitely they also means you increase your professional life in different way, right? Because you focus them how to take care them and you fulfill their requirement, right? Then you cannot use mobile phone or talking and you provide service. Customer they don't like that kind of behavior and attitude, right? Mm, Mm-hmm. Right, right. You are right. Right, right, right. I just asked you. I know that is your work and you cannot mess up inside your company, right? You focus only your work and you provide your service, right? Then that is a means. Then you tell me, do you purchase pure water? Means water in there, right? How much liter per liter? How much? Yes. Uh-huh. How much? 27 and 28 rupees. Then India also, if you purchase according to bottling, then you get a 20 rupees or 25 rupees or 15 rupees also here. According to bottling, means yes. Okay, then that is also good in there, right? You get water. Hmm, 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 hmm. Then, hmm, huh? How much? 22 rupees. That petrol gas is a means so cheap rate in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, right? But India, right, right, right. But India, means we people how much means fill up in. Then that is so high rate in India, right? Because definitely India import from that Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Gulf country in petrol and gas, right? Then do you wanna change your profession or do you like that profession? You like, okay. Do you want to change that country or do you want to work in there? Okay, do you learn in their native language, Arabic language? Okay, you don't have native Kuwaiti people. You don't have any friend who speak Arabic. Uh, okay, tell me in means roadside something in announcement. I think so. Mm-hmm. 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 Then you speak with them in English. Okay, but do you want to learn Arabic language? Okay, do you ever try to learn?